Okay, we have here today another integral from the MIT Integration Bee 2025, number 13. We have the integral of e to the 2x, x squared plus x over x e to the x to the fourth plus 1 dx. Okay, I can think of two different ways to do it, and I'd take a vote if I could stop the video, but it's not live, so we can't vote on it. So I'm just gonna have to guess at a method that people might like. One thing we could do is take a u substitution on x e to the x. I think if we could vote, people don't really want the u sub on x e to the x. I don't think. I think maybe what people want is they want me to break this up. So how we could do it is we could square it and write this as x squared e to the x squared is the same thing as e to the 2x, and then this whole thing's going to be squared. And then doing it that way, I could take my u substitution on this. I think it does kind of save a step, but on the other hand, it's not really going to matter, but let's just do it. So we've got our u here. Let's take a derivative on this, I think. So then what's going to happen for du? This is going to be product rule, so we get 2x e2x plus x squared e2x. But then chain rule of 2 is going to pop out. Let me just throw that, let me just throw this in here. And then, okay, dx, but then let's simplify it because we can factor out all kinds of things, but I want to really match the numerator. So let's factor out 2 e to the 2x. Reordering this is going to be x squared plus x dx. So all we need to do to make this work, if I multiply in a 2 right here, now the numerator is exactly this du here. I'm kind of mixing colors in a weird way, but then, so I'm not changing it. Let's multiply by 1/2 in front. I'll go ahead and substitute. So we've got 1/2 in front. Everything there is du. Now I changed this to this when this thing is just u. So what we end up with here is just u squared plus 1. But this integral, this is just going to be arctan. So what we get is 1/2 arctan of u. Go ahead and back substitute on it. And so for my final solution, we just get 1/2 arctan of x squared e2x, add a plus c, and that's it. So if you decided to do your u substitution just for this right here, you'd end up with u to the fourth plus 1. But what happens is the numerator is set up for another substitution, so it's still going to be easy either way. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.